I love these kind of videos. Hey guys, what's good? My name is Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I love these kind of videos. Like, I love watching them, so I really hope you guys do too. It's going to be my last purchase of 2018. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. 2018 was the year I restarted my YouTube channel, so I will always remember 2018 for that. But yes, if you are new here, again, my name is Brittany. I do videos on luxury, beauty, and lifestyle, and I post 3 times a week. So if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if you like unboxings like I do, feel free to hit the thumbs up. So without further ado, we will get started. All right, so this is the box that it came in. I'm trying to be really good by like not showing my address and stuff. So to open it, how do I do this? It comes with some confetti. So as you can probably already tell, I purchased this from Fashionphile, and disclaimer, I did already take a peek at the item, but I still wanted to do this to show you all like what the unboxing experience is like from Fashionphile. So here's a look at how the item comes. As you can see, it's got the Fashionphile logo and name on the inside of the box. It's also got a thank you card, and on the back it just has their logo in a heart shape, and it has just at Fashionphile. I did also get a little letter, and I have not opened this yet, so let's just open this up. Okay, so this is just my receipt. This is this says that it's Fashionphile certified, and it says we want this bag back, cash for your bag, shop, sell, repeat, and that's pretty much it. All right, so back to what's in the box. So next is an actual file, which I could actually use. Like, I could use a nail file. On to the main attraction. So this item did not come in a box, and as you can see, it's a smaller item. You might be able to tell what kind of item. It's obviously not a bag. And then just to show you, the rest of it is just tissue paper. So it just has a little sticker that says use is the new. And it literally just kind of came in this paper. When you take the paper out, it comes in this Fashionphile dust bag. Do you guys have an idea of what this item is yet? Any takers? Okay, so then when you open this dust bag, I purchased the Louis Vuitton. This is the Rosalie coin purse in monogram, and then the interior is the rose ballerine. So as you can see, it's got the rose ballerine leather button on the outside. And the interior, this piece is made in Spain. Just to show you guys the interior, it does have a pouch in the very back. It's also got a credit card slot here, and then on the other side it's got another credit card slot, and then of course it's got the coin pouch with the leather zip tab. So just to give you guys a little bit of info on this wallet, this was in excellent condition, and just from what I can see, that's true. It definitely is in excellent condition. It looks brand new, actually. I purchased this for $335 from Fashionphile. It was on sale, so it was normally $375, and I got it for $40 off. So yes, this is my item. I do have my current wallet here. This is a Coach leather wallet. It's a zippy wallet. So I was basically going to take the items out of my current wallet and put it in this one. So I have, let's see, first my ID and a Starbucks gift card. And I will put that, I feel like my ID should go in this back card slot. So I'm just going to stick that there. And then the Starbucks gift card, I'm going to put in this big pocket behind my ID. Okay, so that fits perfect. Next, I have my debit card and I have a McDonald's coupon that my son got as a gift. So the McDonald's gift card, I'm going to put right back there with the other gift card, the Starbucks. And then my debit card, I'm going to put just right in front of my ID. I'm going to put those in the same pocket. So far, this is what it looks like. This Coach wallet does have a coin slot as well, but I don't have any coins in here. I do think I have like, okay, I have like $2. So the Rosalie wallet, it doesn't unfold all the way, so I will have to fold my cash in half. And I think I'm just going to stick that in the main pocket, honestly. So, okay, my cash is just in the main pocket. I don't know if it's gonna stay there, but that's there for now. And then I also have my insurance card, and I have 2 play passes from Chuck E. Cheese. The play passes I'm going to put in that back pocket. Ugh, I'm not stretching it out too much, but I'm just going to stick both of those in that back pocket too. And then my insurance card I'm going to put in this, I don't know if y'all can see it, in this pocket right here. So this is what we have so far. And I think that's everything that was in here. I'm going to see how I like this over the next couple weeks. If I do really like it, I think I am going to go ahead and get this item hot stamped. I will probably get it hot stamped somewhere here in the middle. I just don't really see anywhere else I could get it hot stamped. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.